Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Today, here I'm in Cape Town, Cape Point Drive Nature Reserve in South Africa. It's in Cape Town. It's a beautiful place. You can say it's world end of the world. So I hope you guys, you people are enjoying this, because this beautiful video and this beautiful place you can watch only my channel Admired Peace. So you see the stairs beside the ocean. It's the blue ocean. The watercolor is really nice. And the mountain. This stairs is top of the mountain. How they build it? This is the question. You see how deep it's so high. It's top of the mountain. The distance from the ocean is a lot. I really like to travel some unique place in Cape Town. If you come to Cape Town, you will see a lot of beautiful place you'll find, because Cape Town is beautiful and everything is natural here. World most beautiful place in Cape Town, South Africa. And underneath you will find this ocean, what I show you, top of the mountain. You see, the stairs look like you are the king of this place. No people around here, so it's a COVID time, so no one is here. I'm enjoying alone this beautiful place, this beautiful ocean. I don't like crowd, so to be alone is good. I like to stay alone also. Even travel, I enjoy when I travel alone. I enjoy this. It's better to travel alone, actually, for me. The ocean wave is beautiful, so thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy. Keep well.